Hi everyone, I got this bee from Dollar Tree. I've removed the tags and cleaned it with some rubbing alcohol. I will be spray painting him gold. I'm going to hot glue some gems on the bug. Use some tweezers to pull any extra glue off. I am going to add some bling wrap on the body. I will use the hot glue because it does not stick well. I pulled off the sticky tape on this because it did not look good. I'm going to add some more rhinestones here. These rhinestones are from Dollar Tree, so they already stick. These ones are not staying that well, so I'm going to use the hot glue. I'm going to add some gems here and here. I have some ball chain. I cut them so they can fit around these big rhinestones, that they are silver, so I will need to paint them gold. Pure Gold by Folk Art Metallic. The chains are dry and they look great. I'm going to apply these to rhinestones. That looks great. Look at that face. It turned out really neat. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.